लाइफ है ना गाइस, कभी भी एक डायरेक्शन में नहीं चलती. एटलीस्ट फॉर मी दैट्स हाउ इट हैज़ बीन. आई एम ओनली 23, बट आई हैव लर्नड a lot about life, a lot about people, a lot about myself, and especially a lot about this place. Honestly, I don't think I would have ever been the same person I am today if I had not gotten the chance to go to Japan. There's this thing about this place, yaar. Maybe it's in the people, maybe it's in the sky, or maybe in the quietness. एक अलग ही कनेक्शन सा बना है इस जगह से. This place and these memories, they'll always be the most dearest to me. And one another place that has a special place in my heart is you all. मुझे नहीं लगता मैं अपने आप को या अपनी पूरी जर्नी को इतना डॉक्यूमेंट करता if it weren't for you all. So I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for always sending me those beautiful messages and pinching me जब भी वीडियोस लेट होने लगती थी. जितना आप सब नेक्स्ट वीक का इंतज़ार करते थे ना वीडियोस के लिए, उतना ही मैं भी करता था. This was the journey of, well, I mean, as you all like to say it, Adikun in Japan. You know, when I first came to Japan, मैंने 2 दिन बाद अजय भैया को टेक्स्ट किया था introducing myself, and I wanted to tell him about this next opportunity. My goal was simple, यार. Any deserving person who had the love for Japan just like I did should know about it. आप में से बहुत से लोग ये बिलीव करते हैं कि अजय भैया had called me to his channel to make that video. But आप लोग जरा खुद सोच कर देखो यार, why would he call a random person to his channel? Because मुझे आए हुए ही 2 दिन हुए थे जापान. यहाँ के टीचर से बात करने पर पता चला पिछले 4 से 5 सालों में फर्स्ट टाइम इंडियंस दिखे हैं उन्हें स्कूल में. Only 3 of us. Honestly, that kind of made me a little sad. If I wanted, I could have just slept on that thought and अगले दिन अपनी लाइफ के साथ कंटिन्यू कर सकता था. After all, I was in Japan. बट समवेयर इन माई हार्ट आई ऑलवेज फेल्ट उस दिन कि अगर आज थोड़ी सी करेज दिखाकर अजय भैया को मैसेज करके एक वीडियो बनाता हूँ तो शायद कभी इस वीडियो को देखकर कोई जापान आ जाए. उस वीडियो के बाद a lot of people started DMing me and asking me about Mixed, and it's among you guys who suggested me saying कि खुद का एक YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट करता हूँ. जहाँ तक YouTube की बात रही, I mean look at this guy. इसे कैमरे में सीधा खड़ा होना भी नहीं आता था. I never thought कि मेरी लाइफ एक स्टोरी की तरह डॉक्यूमेंट हो जाएगी. I guess getting hit with so much at such a young age was a little hard for me as well. But no matter what anyone says, yaar, I think I am so proud I took that step. You know, the best part is there are people currently in Japan who got to know about this opportunity through that video. Last year, 12 students from STC went to Japan. And 8 of those went to the same school I went to. Finally, more Indians, right? I hope my teachers are proud as well, you know. And I don't think anybody can ever take this thing away from me. I'm so proud of what I am. And I hope each one of us can stay the same way. Because life is all about living with lessons and not regrets. You know, I read it somewhere the other day कि taking a trip to Japan can change the way you see life. And in some sense, I believe it is true. देखो यार, लाइफ में ups and downs तो आते ही रहते हैं. There's this Japanese saying, you know, wabi sabi, beauty in imperfection. Kintsugi is an art जहाँ पे कोई भी pot या फिर बाउल को Japanese household में अगर वो क्रैक हो जाता है तो instead of throwing it, they mend it with gold lacquer. एक तरीके से देखा जाए तो ओरिजिनल से बेटर है. It looks unique, just the way every one of us is, right? I come from the very ground, and to have achieved something like this just because of my grit and my hard work, it made me respect myself a lot. That feeling of being proud of what you have achieved, it hits different all the time, you know, more than anything in this life. And I believe that's the true fulfillment any person can have for themselves. But जब से ये year begin हुआ है, that feeling was somewhere lost in me. That's why I had to take a step back and think. You know, I'm actually planning to go back to Japan quite soon. I developed and changed as a person while being there after all. That place has taught me so many lessons. ऐसे lessons जो कि मैं जहाँ पैदा हुआ हूँ वहाँ पर रहकर भी नहीं सीख पाया. Of course, Japan is a special place in my heart. It always will. And वो feeling वापस आने लगी है. The feeling of being proud of myself. The feeling of inspiring someone. And I've promised to myself I will never let that feeling ever die. So I recently hosted a seminar in Delhi for all the students wanting to study in Japan. It was such a one-of-a-kind experience here. We talked, shared ideas, and discussed so many opportunities for everyone. It was so nice to see faces with so much light and ambition. काफ़ी familiar से faces लग रहे थे, just like the face of this guy. It was an honor to have hosted and met so many of you all that day. Thank you so much for joining, guys. You know, I'm building a platform for every Indian student out there wanting to study in Japan. Of course, मैं अकेले इस चीज़ पे नहीं कर सकता हूँ. That's why I'm bringing forward a whole team. There are going to be many scholars who will help students and guide them with their experience and knowledge to build a pathway for the future scholars. So the next seminar that I am hosting is going to be on August 17th. And this is going to be a very special seminar because a 2025 Mixed Scholar is joining me for a large-scale seminar in Delhi, in where we'll discuss everything about Japan, life in Japan, हम हमारे एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बात करेंगे, हमारे नॉलेज के बारे में बात करेंगे, कॉमन चैलेंजेस और 2023 से 2025 के बीच में क्या क्या चीज़ें बदल गई हैं प्रोसेस में. सो इफ़ यू आर समवन हु लिव्स इन दिल्ली और नियर बाय, यू आर इन्वाइटेड माई फ्रेंड. आई वॉन्ट ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो एंड थिंकिंग टू योर सेल्फ कि यार मैं भी जापान जाना चाहता हूँ, टू प्लीज़ टेक अ स्टेप टूवर्ड्स योर लाइफ, टूवर्ड्स योर फ्यूचर. बिकॉज द ट्रुथ इज गाइज, नोबडी इज कमिंग टू सेव यू. आप लोगों को खुद को खुद ही बचाना पड़ेगा. टेक दैट स्टेप एंड मूव फॉरवर्ड विद ऑल यू हैव गॉट. देखो, अभी तक तो यू ऑल हैड बीन सीइंग मी लिव माई ड्रीम लाइफ. नाउ आई वॉन्ट टू सी यू ऑल लिव योर ड्रीम लाइफ. गो एंड लिव योर लाइफ टू द फुलेस्ट. डॉक्यूमेंट इट, मीट न्यू पीपल, चेज योर ड्रीम्स, लर्न अ न्यू लैंग्वेज, सिट अंडर अ ब्यूटीफुल स्काई, ब्रीथ एंड रियलाइज दैट यू आर प्राउड. वर्क हार्ड एंड कंटिन्यू टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. बी द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ योर सेल्फ. बी द नेक्स्ट Adi Queen. So you'll find the registration link in the description for the seminar. अच्छा, we might also have some fun activities and games for everyone in the seminar. बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बात करने वाली. We'll talk about all of the opportunities to go to Japan. So please do make sure to join. I promise it will be fun and great way to connect with this small community of ours. हमारा जो ये 2025 का Max Scholar है, he is flying all the way from Japan for you guys. So it's going to be a really powerful event. We'll announce some exclusive news in the seminar as well. In fact, you know what? All the seminar registered people will have a free guidance session in the next few days with me. अच्छा, उसके अलावा I am going to launch a new series here on YouTube, Roadmap to Japan, where I'll basically be sharing all my knowledge and experience to help you all know everything there is to study in Japan. तो अगर आप में से कोई भी किसी specific topic पर वीडियो चाहता है और anything that you would like me to include in the series, let me know in the comments. आप में से कितने लोग कोई फिश के बारे में जानते हैं? इट्स अ फिश इन जापानीज फोकलोर जो कि वाटरफॉल के अगेंस्ट अपस्ट्रीम ट्रैवल करती है एंड इतने सारे हार्डशिप्स के बाद एक ड्रैगन में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. दे माइग्रेट फॉर थाउजेंड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ किलोमीटर एंड दे ट्रैवल अपस्ट्रीम. दे स्ट्रगल अ लॉट but they still keep at it. That's the kind of resilience and grit that folklore is really trying to teach us all. In some manner, I believe all of us has that koi fish in us जो कि डाउनस्ट्रीम ट्रैवल नहीं करना चाहती है like everyone else. And that's why I want to introduce you all to FS27. This is a passion project of mine. I'm pouring all my heart to it, bringing in the best of the best under one hood to help students with their expertise. ये जो है एक 1 year प्रोग्राम है जहाँ पर मैं ग्रुप ऑफ मैक्स स्कॉलर्स को लेकर आ रहा हूँ, नॉट जस्ट मी, जो कि आप लोगों को पढ़ाएंगे एंड गाइड करेंगे विद देयर एक्सपर्टीज एंड नॉलेज. विल कवर ऑल कोर सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक इंग्लिश, जापानीज एंड मैथमेटिक्स. जापानीज के लिए वी विल हैव अ जापानीज नेटिव पर्सन जो कि आप लोगों को कन्वर्सेशनल जापानीज सिखाएगा. फॉर JLPT देयर विल बी अ स्पेसिफिक जापानीज टीचर जो कि आपको JLPT स्पेसिफिक टेक्निकलिटीज के साथ पढ़ाएगा. फॉर मैथमेटिक्स वी आर ब्रिंगिंग अ JEE लेवल टीचर एंड हैव अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन हु इज रिसर्चिंग एंड डेवलपिंग अ होल बुक रिगार्डिंग 40 to 50 अदर फुल्ली फंडेड स्कॉलरशिप अपॉर्चुनिटीज अदर देन नेक्स्ट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज. हम ये मेक श्योर करेंगे कि FS27 प्रोग्राम के अंदर students will at least 5 other scholarship apart from Next under this program. So we'll also be hosting a cultural exchange programs around December or January where we'll host an event related to Japanese culture जहाँ पर maybe we'll experience Hanabi or something. हम लोग fireworks को display करेंगे and we'll also have an event, a good cultural Japanese cultural event, and of course we'll be providing students with the certification for taking part in this program. अच्छा, there's also going to be free demo sessions for FS27 program before the program starts जहाँ पर मैं and मेरी तरह बाकी जो मैक्स स्कॉलर्स हैं जो आपको इस प्रोग्राम में पढ़ाएंगे, they will take your free demo session. Apart from all of this, अगर anyone directly wants to go to Japan through language school or something, we'll have an option for that as well. Because I have tie-ups with JASO and I'm collaborating with them to help students get into language school. You know, it's going to be a whole ecosystem that will inspire many to come. 100% free refund of this program for students who clear Max. Although my team didn't wanted to do this thing, but I personally believe कि भाई जो भी इंसान इस प्रोग्राम के थ्रू अपने आप को वैल्यूबल बना लेता है एंड प्रूव कर देता है अपनी वैल्यू, then that person has earned it. That's why that person is going to get 100% scholarship of this program. Now I'm pretty sure you might be wondering what might be the fee structure for all of this. देखो यार, since I'm bringing in so many expertise and I'm not doing it alone, it's going to be for those people who understand the value of it and who are really serious about it. Because I'm here to provide you value. But don't worry, we have decided to keep it quite cheap and affordable for everyone. In fact, we are doing a free parent-student consultation call run for anyone who register themselves for FS27. जहाँ हम parent and student से directly call पे बात करके FS27 प्रोग्राम के बारे में and life in Japan and study in Japan के बारे में गाइड करने वाले हैं. So if you're someone who genuinely wants to go to Japan, I think this might be a golden chance you don't want to miss. All you have to do is fill the registration form of FS27 from the description of this video and we will contact you for the free consultation calls with your parents. अच्छा, let me tell you something very special about the study material of FS27 program guys. FS27 का जो study material होने वाला है उस पर पिछले 1 महीने से काम चल रहा है. मेरे अलावा जितने भी और मैक्स स्कॉलर्स हैं जिन्हें मैं इस प्रोग्राम के अंडर लेकर आ रहा हूँ मेरी टीम के रूप में, उन लोगों का इन्फॉर्मेशन, उन लोगों का एक्सपीरियंस, उन लोगों का नॉलेज, everything is going to be combined इन दो स्टडी मटेरियल्स। कम से कम 6 से 7 सालों का एक्सपीरियंस उस एक स्टडी मटेरियल हैम्पर में मिलने वाला है। वी आर गोइंग टू प्रोवाइड सम वेरी गुड रेफरेंस बुक्स एज वेल एंड पूरा रोड मैप एंड सिलेबस ऑफ द FS27 प्रोग्राम कि किस तरीके से सारी चीज़ें शेड्यूल होने वाली हैं, क्या क्या चीज़ें पढ़ाई जाएंगी, व्हाट आर द बेस्ट बुक्स दैट आर going to help you to prepare for the scholarship opportunities. अब ये जो स्टडी मटेरियल होने वाला है, it is going to be shipped all across India directly to your home address. So do register yourself for FS27 program. I'm doing everything I can in my power. I'm giving you the ecosystem, I'm giving you the atmosphere, I'm giving you the best of the best. All you have to do is take a step forward towards your future. Let's carve the way for future scholars to come. Now, let me also show you testimonials of all the students from Java.
Guess what? I got shortlisted for next exam. So, my name is Safina Begum and I joined this 3-month crash course which helped me a lot, gave me a little push that I needed for the next preparation. And it was all thanks to Adi Bhaiya who helped us a lot and gave us the latest syllabus and PYQs and did a prep talk every day. In this prep talk he was very friendly and helped us a lot, and because of that it gave me so much confidence. And also got to know so many people who are also interested to go to Japan like me. If you're stressing over max preparation like I was and don't know what to do, then take a break, just breathe and maybe find a mentor like Adi Bhaiya who is going to help you a lot, and trust me, it's going to be totally worth it. And I wish everyone all the best. Let's make it to Japan. Gambatte everyone!
Hello, my name is Aranaga. I think Aditya Bhaiya is a dynamic leader. He's very enthusiastic. He helps always. Thanks to Aditya Bhaiya. Thanks to his Scholars Pathway.
Hi, this is Tanushka. I want to say that I was a member of Scholars Pathway. I can say that it was the most helpful thing in my maths journey. मुझे साइकोलॉजिकली मेंटली इतना सपोर्ट मिला और भैया ने हमारी तैयारी इतनी मजबूत करा दी थी कि हम लोग ये सोच ही नहीं सकते थे कि हमारा सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा.
Hello everyone, my name is Sankalp Mahajan. Recently, I applied for the MEX scholarship and also gave the written examination. Throughout the process, I was the part of the Elite Mentorship program. So the program was really helpful in all the aspects related to the MEX scholarship, be it the application or the document screening round. I would like to add that we had frequent meetups or interactions with past MEX scholars or people who have been to Japan in general.
Hello guys, my name is Shivansh Yadav. These 3 months from Scholars Pathway were not just about learning, growing together, laughing and creating memories that we will carry forever. And to Adi sir, you were more than just a teacher. You were our guide, our mentor and the one who believed in us even when we don't. Your patience, your kindness and your energy, it changed the way we saw ourselves and learning.
This is Sahil, a student of Elite Mentorship program. I would like to thank Adi Bhaiya for his guidance and support. We did a lot of things like doing mock tests of Max scholarship, mock interviews, and even we researched a lot of scholarship other than the Maxed. And we enjoyed a lot.
Hello everyone, myself Tejaswini. I have always dreamed of studying in Japan, but my past experience with academic struggle left me with self-doubt. I was scared and rejected that I almost did not apply to MEX. That's when I found Scholars Pathway and Aditya sir who guided me with everything. He built my confidence throughout this mentorship and directed me indirectly with the current MEX scholars in the Japan. Every fear I had about the application exams or the life abroad was replied with clarity.
Hey everyone, I am Rudransh and I am glad to be the part of Scholars Pathway program. What stood out the most was Adi Bhaiya's teaching style. He was always motivating and genuinely cared for each one of us. His energy and belief in us pushed me to stay focused and keep going even when things got tough. His guidance genuinely makes a difference.
Hello everyone, I am Ayush Bhardwaj. Adi's Bhaiya's teachings were really great. He is not an ordinary human. वो मामूली बंदा नहीं है. He made me and my classmates realize that many dreams are seen to be fulfilled. Thank you Aditya Bhaiya for so many memories that you have given.
Hey guys, this is Sharwari Wagmare. I joined Adi Bhaiya's 3-month Scholars Pathway program and it was really worth it. We filled up forms and applications together. We learned to tackle written exams and interviews and it was really amazing experience for me. And Adi Bhaiya, arigatou gozaimashita.
Hey everyone, myself Daksh. I just wanted to share my experience with the Elite Mentorship by Adi Bhaiya. These 3 months have been honestly amazing. From documents, SOPs, internships, interview strategies, mindset, consistency, all was covered in such a practical and relatable way. Honestly, जो चीज़ें ऑनलाइन नहीं मिलती है easily वो सब यहाँ मिला. And so if you are serious about Next and you are looking for real mentorship and guidance, Light Mentorship is genuinely worth it. Thank you so much Adi Bhaiya for making 3 months so valuable and unforgettable. Thank you.
मंगोलिया, ऑस्ट्रिया, कोरिया, इतने सारे अलग, चाइना, हांगकांग, हर जगह के बीच में इंडियंस आर इन द टॉप. आई बिलीव दैट इज वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर एनी इंडियन स्टूडेंट. दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा यूथ कहाँ है? इंडिया. दुनिया में सबसे ज्यादा यूथ कम कहाँ है? जापान. My aim here is simple, yaar. I want to work towards something larger than me, which I was not able to do up until now. I want to leave a mark of Indians and let the world know who you are. This is the end of a beautiful journey and a beginning of a new one. For everyone who has supported and watched my journey up until now, kokoro kara makoto ni arigatou gozaimashita minasan. And for everyone who is going to be part of this new beginning, issho ni ganbarimashou minna. And at the end, I want to leave you guys with one word. 今日朝目が覚めた時、鏡に映る自分を見て、おい、この美しい人生とチャンスに満ちた新しい一日を見せてくれたことを感謝し、結果がどうであれ、今日は全力を尽くすと自分に言い聞かせました。ぜひぜひ皆さんの生活の中で一度試してみてください。そしてそれがあなたの人生を変えることを約束します。これからもみんな笑顔で輝いてください。ご清聴ありがとうございました。